Hey YouTube, I'm here to show you how to restore a Swiss Army knife, cellidor Swiss Army knife. I got this one off eBay, well, with a few others, and the finish is not perfect. Let me compare it with one that I've refinished. You can see this one is more glossy, and the other one has a logo on it. I want to get rid of that logo. So what I'll need for this is sandpaper, wet and dry sandpaper, along with some rubbing compound and polish right here, and some masking tape. So the first thing to do is to remove the tweezer and the toothpick. Take them off, open the blades, and use some masking tape for two reasons. The first one is that you don't want to, with the sandpaper, you don't want to be scratching your blades and tools, and also you don't want to cut yourself with a knife blade. I'll just do a quick job right here. Okay, it's ready. So I'll start off with the 320 grit sandpaper wet to remove the big scratches on the knife, but mostly the logo on the back, so shouldn't take very long because it's not in bad shape. It's white. Some of the knives you'll do might turn to yellow after a while, and it really makes a big difference. On this one, really, I just want to make it glossy and remove the logo. See, on this side, it's ready. So let's move on this side with the logo. Sometimes you'll have to rub for a while because the logo is like this one. It's going to be a pain to remove. But without putting much pressure, I'll just keep on rubbing and rubbing. Oh, seems like it's stuck in there. Maybe I'll try something rougher than 320. I don't have anything. No, here. Oh yeah, it's disappearing now. See? Right, my logo is gone now, so I'll just make sure all the edges are done, all the sides. I applied a lot of pressure, so it might not be even now, but hey, I want to achieve that glossy finish, so just keep on doing it. Right, so now I'm done with the 320. I'm going to use the 600. Same thing, it's wet. Now all I need to do with it is to remove the scratches left from the previous 320 sandpaper. So I don't need to put a lot of pressure. I just need to apply an even pressure on the whole knife. Once again, I'll make sure all the sides are done. I'll move to the other side. Same thing. Right, now is the 1000 grit sandpaper, It's getting smoother. I don't need to apply a lot of pressure again. Just need to rub everywhere. And you don't need to spend 2-3 minutes on this side either. See? Already done. Oops. Right, 1500 grit. On the other side. And finally the 2000 Grit Sandpaper. Now once you're done, you can just dry your piece of sandpaper and store them for later. Might have done, I don't know, maybe 30 knives with those pieces of sandpaper in the past, I don't know, maybe 6 months. And they're still good to use. So I'll need to finish up with the rubbing compound afterwards. Right, so I'll use a microfiber cloth and some rubbing compound. This one is turtle wax. I'll use a corner right here, put a bit on it. You don't need much, just a bit. And you rub it circular motions. I found that I don't have to apply a lot of pressure with this one, because if I do, it's quite abrasive and it'll just make big scratches on my cellidor. And don't worry about getting it dirty, because I'll clean it afterwards anyways and oil it. And if you get some of that rubbing compound underneath the scales, it's no big deal. You can always remove them and clean underneath. Right, pretty much done. All I need to do now is to use this polish and make it look good. This one is whoops, plastics. You can use any brand you want. On this one you can apply pressure if you want, no big deal. There you go. Finished product. No more logo. And now it's clean and glossy. Let me compare it to the other one again. There used to be a big difference between the two, and now oh, it'll look pretty much the same. Thank you.